All right, guys, got a minute? Because I am out of tile floor cleaner. And so I've got my 32-ounce bottle here, and I'm going to take a minute, mix everything together, and be ready to clean my tile floor. So I use natural ingredients, all plant-based, and I do that because I do not like chemicals on my body, in my skin, and anywhere exposed around me. And I've found that I can actually make all my stuff very quickly and inexpensively. And I don't have to run to the store because I have my ingredients usually on hand, and it just takes me a minute to mix everything together. And it also smells really good. So if you like the smell of like Christmas with cinnamon and clove and some other oils, but those are the ones you can usually smell. The Thieves Concentrated Cleaner, that is amazing. I love it so much. It works so well, smells so good, and it stays around. The smell stays around. So it just is refreshing when you come back. So let's get started. We have a minute to do this. So I take my Thieves dish soap, which is a nice little concentrated soap that Young Living has. And I'll just add that. Oh no, I spilled my Thieves cleaner. Okay, well, it's okay. And it's nice to have a funnel so you can aim better quickly. So you add some Castile, or you can add Castile soap if you don't have the Thieves dish soap. And then you add 3/4 of a teaspoon of Thieves cleaner. So it's even still going to take about a minute, even though I spilled my cleaner and pre-measured it. All right, 3/4 into. Then you add a little vinegar, half of a tablespoon, which is 1.5 teaspoons. And we're done. We just add water. So tile floor cleaner works great. Makes your house smell amazing. If you'd like the full recipe, just text me at GREENCLEAN. And the number for that is 910-446-3015. All right. See you guys.